Hello viewers, how are you? Today we will talk about the contradiction between the causation and correlation. If we talk about the causation, if brain's one variable can create a change in cognition, behavior or another part of the area of brain, this is called causation. It means we know that the effect depends upon the cause that we actually know, and this is actually the cause of effect. This is called causation. Say for example, functional MRI reveals that or brain scans tells that if the hippocampus becomes damaged, then there will be a great memory loss. It means the cause behind the memory loss is the damaging of hippocampus. So this cause is very clear. So this is called causation. But on the other hand, if we talk about the correlation, then correlation refers to that if brain's activity, if brain's structure, or if brain's chemical composition changes at the same time when we are changing our thoughts, when the disease are changing, and we are changing our behavior. This is called correlations. Means both the two parties, means brain's activity or our thoughts, they are changing at the same time. This is called correlations. The condition behind the correlation is that both the parties or both the situations must be co-occur at the same time, but it does never mean that the A party will be the cause of second one. Say for example, the rate of ice creams increases along with the drowning cases, but ice cream is not the cause of drowning cases, but both the things or both the situations are becoming high. Ice cream's rates are high and drowning rates are high, but ice cream is not the cause of drowning cases. Now the question is that if all the correlation can be the causation, the answer is no, because sometime in the correlation the actual cause is very unclear. So this is called correlation, this is not causation. But in the causation, the cause is basically dominant and prominent. We can clearly proclaim that, and we can clearly declare that this is the actual cause. So this is called causation. Now the second question is that can all the causations are can be correlation? The answer is yes. All the causations are correlations. Say for example, if a person is anxious, then the amygdala will lights up more. It means the reason behind the lighting up of amygdala is the person is anxious. It means all the correlations can never be causation, but all the causation can be correlation. And you know that basically correlation and causation are the most important topics in the brain neuroscience. Hope you all are understood. Thank you so much.